Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week video we are sailing to the beautiful atoll of Amanu. Sit back, relax, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, go and hit the like button, show some love. We are inside of the atoll of Amanu. Welcome to Memorable Sailing Channel. Crossing the Panama Canal was the starting of our journey around the world. We sailed to discover the world and to enjoy the people that we meet in the different countries. That is my husband Reg trying to be funny, and that's me trying to balance on the coconut tree. This is year 2020 and the starting of our new adventure around the world. We are currently in the French Polynesian and we enjoy every minute of it, from playing volleyball to sailing to the Tuamotus, hiking with friends, and spending amazing time with my husband Reg. Join our sailing family by subscribing to our channel. Let's get back into this video. If any one of you want to see what we do on a day-to-day basis, go ahead and add us on Facebook at Memorable Sailing or on Instagram at Memorable Sailing 43. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be sailing to a atoll called Amanu. We've never been to Amanu before, and I am really excited about going to Amanu because it's a smaller atoll. We always wanted to stay at a smaller atoll because it's easier to go around the atoll and be where you want to be faster. So I'm really excited about that. It is the 24th, so it's Christmas Eve. From what I'm seeing here in the French Polynesia, I don't think they celebrate Christmas a lot. At least they celebrate it differently. I went everywhere in the store. I haven't even seen a ham or a turkey. And Regina, we're by ourselves, so it's like, you know, when you're by yourself, it's not much of a Christmas. We just have to just thank God for life, thank God to just be here, thank God to be spending time together, and we're just being thankful because you can't do more than that. It's not going to be a big Christmas, but we're going to try to enjoy it the cruises way as much as we can. Maybe do something, go fishing or something like that. So that's what's up, guys. Just today, just sail with us to Amanu, and we're just gonna let you guys discover another atoll with us, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's go. So guys, I know you guys have already seen the little Christmas fun video I put up. I hope you enjoyed that fun little Christmas video. I didn't really know what to do for Christmas, so I said, oh, why not put a smile on my subscriber face and do a little fun little Christmas dance and say Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I hope your new year will be great, and I hope everyone, you know, just put away all the bad things in 2020 and bring in a fresh 2021, you know. Just make it fresh and make it good and thankful, and yeah. Guys, right now it is super rough. Thank God I took my seasickness pill because I would be crying today, huh? I say like usual. Like I've always been crying. I'm not always. It's rough. No man. This is gonna be a rough sailing. Yeah. So guys, Amanu is 295 nautical miles from Fakarava. So it's gonna be taking us around 2-3 days to get there. Right now we're going 3 knots, but we are not yet totally out of Fakarava, so this is not the real speed. So once we're out, we'll get the real speed, and we will arrive there in 2 days because the wind is really good. This is like a rare wind. We're getting like a knot wind, a knot. Yeah,
north wind. So.
yeah, we're getting a north wind, so that's why we want to take advantage and go to Amanu because it's southeast of here, and we don't always get a north wind. It's always harder to go to Amanu or Raro and all that. So while we can, we are just gonna head all the way. It's easier to come back than to go there, so that's what we're doing today. We are going to Amanu. Amanu. So yeah. Amanu. Huh?
Terrible shape. So right now it should be relatively flat. Look how curvy it is. That's why it doesn't go well upwind. Still a tuna.
It's a tuna?
I think so.
What kind of tuna is that?
I think it's a tuna.
Oh, and I don't have any avocado. Oh my babe, something really was biting it off. Look at the side like something grabbing.
Something good.
Or maybe it's in the sun, the glare of the sun. Look like something really. Babe, you have to be careful because it looks like you could lose it. Go closer and. No, look at the hook, how the part, you see the hook, the mouth?
Oh, it's gonna go through the mouth.
Yeah, you need to get the hook. Get the hook, get the hook. I'll hold it and you get the hook.
Down on the mountain, usually keep on the fish.
We don't get big fish like this unless we do this. So guys, this is a nice sized fish that we just got, but the sad thing about it is our freezer is not working currently. Reg has been trying to fix our freezer a while now. He's getting closer, but he's just not there yet. So I think we're gonna have to give away most of this fish because we don't want to waste it, and it's good fish. It's tuna. You can make sushi with it or do different things with it, and it will be good. So we don't want to waste it. So I think once we arrive in Amanu, we might give away most of the fish to other boaters and they'll appreciate it. Since Reg is not a big sushi eater, I decided to make something that will be more good for him, which is a recipe made with coconut milk. It's a local recipe, it's delicious. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. So if you guys have tuna and you would like to make this recipe, I will leave it in the description box below. Hey guys, right now it's about 8 o'clock and we are 47 nautical miles from Amanu. We should be there tomorrow morning, so I'm really excited. We already spent 2 nights on the water. I didn't really video the other 2 nights because we weren't doing much, so I was saying like, why should I video it? And we're not doing anything. It's just like a repeat of everything. So yeah, this is the last night on the water. Tomorrow morning we should be in Amanu, and I am really happy to see Amanu because we never been to Amanu, as he said earlier. So yeah, so I hope you guys are excited to see another atoll with us, because we are really excited to see another atoll. Right now Reg is in the bedroom watching a movie, and I'm just gonna watch a movie up here and just keep watch because I am on my watch time. Reg is not really on his watch time, he is on his sleeping time, but he's watching a movie. So that's gonna be too bad for him when I'm tired, because when I'm tired I'm gonna go and sleep and he have to come up even if he's tired because he chooses to watch a movie. But It's his choice. Everyone make their own choice. So that's good. We just had our fish that we caught. The tuna was really good. I made like a local recipe that I got. So it's made from, like, you got the tuna, and then you put lime, and you marinate it with lime and salt and pepper, and let it marinate for a while. Then you put coconut milk, and then you put cucumber, some onion, some tomatoes, and then just let it sit and marinate while you make the rice. And you make the rice and you have it with rice. It is really good. It's one of French's favorite tuna recipe, and it's a French Polynesian recipe. So if you guys have tuna, you can try that recipe, and I hope you like it. So yeah, we'll see you in the later on, and keep you guys up to date. So see you later on. Bye.
It's a very small, the village is 200 people. That's it. No provision.
Oh, okay.
Nothing.
We arrive a little bit early at the pass, so we are waiting outside of the atoll until the tide is right, because we can't really go in until it's the right tide. That's the downfall of being in the Tuamotus compared to being in the Marquesas. You have to wait for the right tide to go into any of the atolls. So that's why what he's gonna do, he's gonna look to see how it looks and if it's okay, and we can go in. We have something that we use to track the tide to tell us when to go in, but some people say it's not very accurate. So since this is the first time we are coming to this atoll, we decided to take the dinghy and go and look ourselves, because that's sometimes better than to just look, than to use our tracker. So that's what Reg did.
Not where I was.
Doesn't
You
look
can
at,
see the bottom everywhere.
huh?
You see the bottom where I was.
If you can see the bottom where you were, there's not a lot of space from where you were to get in, huh?
Not sure. Just want to wait.
Stop it.
Too early still. We'll just wait for it. Use the binoculars to see what the water's like. Because right now there's no water. It's too early.
Like, look, even right there, look at that big rock. Like, it doesn't look like there's a lot of space to go in.
Well, they're both narrow, right? No, you have to be, you see where all the current is. See over there?
Uh-huh.
So that's why it's not good yet. Got to get at least wide enough for the freaking boat.
Babe, this is so beautiful. Shouldn't we be going more that way? Okay.
Take a shower and some stuff.
So guys, we are inside of the atoll finally. It seems like there are a couple boats down there. I am just happy to reach here safely.
But it's not a well protected downtown. This is good. But there's a little island in the middle.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we are inside of the atoll of Amanu. We arrived this morning. I was sleeping. Red wake me up and said, "Hey babe, we're here." And at first it was kind of sketchy about coming in. I was more scared than Red, but you know that's why he's a captain and I'm not the captain. Because I was a little bit scared because there was a lot of rocks on the sides of the entrance and all that. But Reg went to the dinghy and he looked and everything is okay. We are in safe and sound. We just have to make sure that there's no bombing that we're gonna hit while we are going to the end. This atoll is really small. This is the smallest atoll we've been to, and we're really happy because we wanted to be in a small atoll that if we want to go somewhere it's very close and all that. And it's really beautiful here, guys. I am gonna really enjoy myself here. Maybe I can do some snorkeling and all that and give you guys some snorkeling video, and we'll see how that goes. But I'm just happy to be here, to be at another place, and so far so good. Yeah.